guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Corfacan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Corfacan. Sa ngayon, dito kami sa may dam area. May mga ibang part na close pa, so siguro mamaya babalikan namin yun. Kasi yung Seas Park, close pa siya, mag-open ng 4 o'clock daw kasi because of Ramadan. So ngayon dito muna kami, nagpe-play yung mga kids sa playground dito sa may dam. And the next will be another may mga dito, may daming Pilipino. Ngayon sila doon. Alison! Hi! Hi, Ethan!
I'm inside.
Nagkakayakan sila, oh. Ito naman, makikita mo yung view dito. From the Al Rabi Tower, yan. Yes. Sobrang init nga lang. So, punta kami dun. Init na talaga, guys. Yeah, winter time it's best to go for a walk.
Yeah, because I guess there's trails that go all over these mountains.
Yeah, I think so. But not this time. We're not gonna go for a walk because with the 2 kids it's hard.
Hey, look, there's a white butterfly.
But that would be nice to go, right? Going up. Ito, may waterfalls. Amazing, right? Ito yung falls ng Corfacan.
Shark Island है Shark Island.
Where is the Shark Island?
This boat going to Shark Island.
We can see the shark or no?
No shark,
Just a
nice
Shark
place.
Island? Oh,
So beautiful.
no need na.
And
How much
20 dirham per person.
per person? So only two.
2 person 60 dirham.
I will ask, okay?
Sunglasses.
They asked if we want to go to the Shark Island.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is our car? This one? Kuya, no need. This one? Where's the car? Is this his car?
Get the butterfly.
This is your car? Here, Tan.
Where's butterfly?
Going over. See, we were down there.
Yeah, but I miss a butterfly fly.
Remember we were on that beach right there, and then now we're here? Hi, Allison. So there's so many butterflies there.
Yeah, there's and there's also spiders there.
Mm.
What is that? What is that? There's so many bugs here. What is that? Why? What is that? It's a beetle. Beetle. Ah!
Hmm.
Is it moving?
No, it's dead.
Tell that.
So let's go inside the.
Can you tell it's just hot? Go here! Look at that! There's a ladybug. There's so many ladybugs, Mama.
Yeah?
There's so many ladybugs here.
Really?
Yeah, there's so many ladybugs.
Where is it?
Inside here, look.
Oh my
1,
gosh.
2, 3, and
Alexi,
4.
come here.
And there's 4.
Try this one, oh. Ala, you and mommy. You and mommy, Ethan.
Go. If he wants to be in there, sit him in.
Come, Ethan. Ay. Dali. Sige, ride.
Ow, ow, ow.
Ride. Sige.
I
Sige.
get on there. I do like this.
Sige, hold.
Ah!
Dili lagi.
Ouch. How do I get in?
Sige. Try.
Hi. Yay. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Yay. Yay.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Me?
That one had like red eye, but the other one did not have. That